Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make the simple twist headband. Trust me, it's super easy. When I say easy to make, it's comfortable to wear and can be crafted from a variety of fabrics and colors. It's versatile and can be paired with a casual or classy outfit. Stay glued and watch how the magic unfolds with this simple step-by-step tutorial. Now I start by cutting two strips of fabrics measuring about 20 inches by 10 inches wide. Next will be another strip measuring 10 inches by 4 inches wide, and then an elastic band measuring 5 inches. I start by folding the fabric in half lengthwise with both right sides facing each other. I do this for all the strips of fabric. Now sew about half an inch from the edge along the long edges, being careful to put the fabrics in place while sewing, then leave the short edges open. Sew half an inch along all the long edges. Do this for all the strips of fabric, including the shorter one. Now using my scissors, I trim out and separate all the strips like so. Using an iron, I open the seam allowance like so. Be careful not to press too hard on the edges because we need the edges to be as puffy as possible. Open all the seam allowances as shown and do this for all the strips. Use your left hand to put it in place. Now carefully turn the fabric strip right side out. For the shorter one, you can use a screwdriver like this. Now use an iron to press the fabric strip flat, making sure the seam is at the center. I use my hand to turn the longer strip right face out. I do the same while making sure the seam is at the center. Do this for all the strips, like so. To make a twist, I cross both long strips over one another and bring both ends of the strip together, forming a twist like so. Turn it around and choose the side you wish to conceal. Now let that side face up. Okay? Now I take my safety pin, insert it into the elastic band, and then insert it into the smaller strip like so. Okay, I secure the elastic band to one end of the strip using a pin. Now I do the same for the other end. I take out my safety pin and secure it with a pin like so. Now I'll take this now to the sewing machine and stitch over. I stitch both ends of this strip to secure the elastic band. I return and then place this elastic band with the seam facing up. I place the band now in the middle of the longer strip, okay, and fold over this way. But I noticed this is really thick. The fabric is really thick, so I'll first of all place only the band on the middle and go over to the sewing machine and secure it first before folding over before wrapping it around. Now I secure it with a pin, and then I do the same for the other end as well. I will go over to the sewing machine now and stitch across. I do this and then do it for the other side as well. Now I will fold over this way and then stitch again. Be careful when you stitch, especially when you are using a very thick fabric like mine. I pin to secure this fold and then take it back to stitch. Be careful, take your time. In fact, roll the sewing machine carefully and make sure you don't backstitch while doing this, especially when it's very thick. It's going to break the needle and you don't want to do this. So I secure it and do the same for the other side, like so. Now I trim any excess fabric and then I pull over one another like so, and voila, my headband is ready. Now this brings us to the end of this tutorial. If you found value in this, please show your support by liking, sharing and leaving a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we post our next video. Till then, keep creating and stay inspired. Bye.